Here we have a 70 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE45E M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £11,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the technology and also comfort packages. We do have the LED headlights, the gloss black front splitter, we also have the carbon black exterior paintwork. We have the 22-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and finished in gloss black with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We also have the twin axle air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower, and it's currently set to its lowest setting. We've got the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. The black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. We have the black roof rails up top with the shark fin antennae, and also the panoramic glass sunroof. It also has the Sky Lounge. If we take a quick look at the interior, so inside the back first you'll find the full black leather interior, foldable armrest and the fixed ISO points back here. We do also have both of the outer seats which are heated and controlled down here in the centre with the vents. On the windows you'll find the blinds for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows and ambient lighting. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather interior with both front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable. The driver's side has the memory function just there. We also have the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights down here, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside. You'll find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will turn on. Steering wheel is electrically adjustable with the stalk down there. We also have the adaptive cruise control with the driver assist on the left hand side, paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel and the high beam assist on that stalk there. And we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than for the range, so nothing to worry about. We also have the heads up display just up here if the camera can pick it up. If any lights or screens are flickering, it is just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. Main screen in the centre currently showing the sat nav, also has the buttons down here, so if you click onto media you'll find the radio stations. We also have all these other options on the left. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and then we do also have the apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. On the main menu, if we go up to car and then onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting just here, many colours which you can choose from. And like I said before, we do also have the Sky Lounge, so the lights are also in the roof just there. Looks really nice at night time. Intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And then moving further down, we also have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers with the ice-cold air conditioning, heated seats either side. Again, further down, inside of here, you'll find the cup holders, which can be cooled or they can be heated, wireless phone charging, 12-volt connectivity, and a USB port. We also have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, and also the air suspension just here as well. If you put the car into reverse, you'll also find the reversing camera. Put it back into drive, it changes to the front-facing camera. We can also go to the left, you get the 3D view where you can go all the way around the vehicle. As you can see, each camera works just as you would expect it to. We also have the car wash view just here as well, which is a top-down view of the front end. If you put it back into park by pressing P though, we then have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button, hill descent control just there as well, armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next to delivery. Thank you for watching.